these high top big rocks that look exactly like my Air Force Ones, but they're black and red instead of the blue. And then I have just like regular blue wheels, so I'm sure like how you want to go with it. But the black and red, I have this like leopard flowy dress.
Oh, okay.
So like the black and red should look really good with it. And like that, and I have a black and red red dress.
Okay. What's your first name again?
Sad.
Yeah. All right. What is up, guys? It's like Wednesday morning-ish, and we're out here with Sarah, Road Contour, and Damien, and we're gonna do some portrait shooting near World Trade Center in downtown Manhattan. Jesus, look at it, baby. We're headed over to an area near the World Trade Center and the Oculus. She's from New York. We're not, obviously. And we're gonna see what we can put together here. We're gonna do a little street, and then we're gonna get an outfit change, maybe do a dress, and we're gonna sort of play it by ear and figure it out. And it is a gorgeous day with no sun, but we'll work with it. All right. This one up here though. So we are near the World Trade Center at in the Oculus at this graffiti wall. Yeah, tie it up low. Yeah, there you go. That might be cool. Near the World Trade Center, and we're gonna take some portraits here on these blocks and see what we can get. Damien's going first. We're up in the Oculus, which is a little Christmassy, but we're using the lights and this display. Getting some bouquet in. It seems to be working. And then we're going to move outside of the Oculus and do some photos back out in the cold. It is packed here, but we're trying to sneak in some shots when we can. This is such a gorgeous place. Outfit change. And some cool sneaks with the bright backpack. Yeah. And we're heading outside the Oculus and get some cool shots.
That'll be good there. And actually take a couple steps away from the wall. Very good. Yeah. Actually, hold on. All right, go ahead.
Damien taking shot. Getting some action shots and sneaks and the dress.
I want to fall down these giant holes where
Into the ribs of the Oculus. Gorgeous location.
Yep.
Alright, so we're heading in for one last outfit change. And heavy door. Thank you. We are heading in for one last outfit change, and then we're going to call it a wrap with Sarah. It's cold out. She's been awesome. Wearing that dress in that weather. So you can see my hat. It tells you how cold it is outside. Yeah. So.
Please step on and off this escalator.
Then we'll head back to the hotel. Hopefully get some food or something, and then we have another shoot today after that. Shut it quick. So, we are saying goodbye to Sarah for the day.
Hi.
She's gonna drive home. But we had a great day so far. And thank you so much.
No problem.
You're amazing. And that's about it. That's a wrap.